can I run my AC without a filter? No, you should not run your air conditioner without a filter because it can clog the system, hurt the airflow, and damage important parts. The air filter is like a shield for your air conditioner, and it catches dust, pet hair, lint, and tiny bits that would otherwise get pulled into the machine. When there is no filter, all that dirt can stick to the evaporator coil, which is the cold part that helps cool your home, and that makes the unit work much harder. If the airflow gets blocked, the air conditioner may start icing up, making weak cold air, or even shutting down. A lot of people do not know this, but a missing filter can also let dirt reach the blower motor and other parts, which can lead to repairs that cost much more than a simple filter. It can even make your home air dirtier, so people with allergies, asthma, or pets may notice it fast. The safest move is to turn the system off if the filter is missing. Put in the correct filter as soon as you can and check it every month. If you have trouble remembering, set a phone reminder on the same day each month so you do not forget. A common mistake is thinking a filter only matters for dust, but it also protects the whole system from strain and heat buildup. Another mistake is using the wrong size or type, because a bad fit can let dirt slip around the edges or slow the airflow too much. People also forget that running the unit for even a short time without a filter can still spread grime inside, so do not assume a quick test is harmless. A simple tip is to look for the size printed on the old filter frame before buying a new one, and if the old one is gone, check the sticker on the unit or the owner manual. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.